Alright, just quickly before this video starts off, this is me from the future. I'm editing the video right now. So basically what's going on is that this is the fixing of the ST. Also, I didn't say in the video either though, but this ST was a salvage. As you guys can tell if you like look at it, it's a salvage title vehicle and it cost around $2,250. Right now we are sitting around the $5,000 range that's been put into the car, so that is very good. And that's pretty much it. These videos, the string of videos that you're about to see are just us fixing the ST and trying to get it back here, which as you guys know it's already back here, but you guys don't know how it looked or how it was before this because there was a lot of work that was actually put into it. So now that's enough talking. Let me present you guys with what we've done. What's going on YouTube? This video is actually being shot right after the first video that I recorded with the Z sitting right here. So right now, as you guys know, got a new car, so we're going to actually go check it out because I haven't seen it yet. So first off, we actually have to go, remember the whole mess that was in my room? Yeah, we actually got to go in there and grab like a whole bunch of stuff. Messy. All right, don't mind the mess. I just came back, like I said. Yeah, we're just gonna have to move shit out the way. So there are, geez, I don't even know how many. I think that's a box we need. I think these are all boxes we need. Well, let's find out. We gotta move like all this outside. Hopefully this can fit in the Z. All set to go. Everything's back there. Shit. All right. On the way to John's house. Yeah. All right. We're here. Whew. Well, time to get all this stuff back out the car. Ready to
I was not ready for this.
What's up with that shirt?
Hey man.
I'm gonna need that shirt from you.
You can have a kilo one. You didn't give me this one.
Are you working on the car? You working on the car with us?
Yeah. I'm gonna put the collaborator on the modem. Take the modem and make the Wi-Fi.
He know what he's doing. He's an expert. All right, so right now we're actually heading to go look at the car. Ooh. If the garage is locked, then we're gonna have to wait.
Unless I'm not being strong enough. I don't want to, go too hard.
Oh, look who's calling.
It's fucking Jordan.
Oh, it's Jordan.
Got it, man.
He go see this fucking video. Oh wait, pull that. You pulling it?
I got a good amount of strength to it. I'm pretty sure it's like locked.
Oh, well, you don't have to wait until John gets home. Fuck, you serious? Damn it. Yeah, that's dead. Fuck. No.
So, once I come back to the house, go to John's garage, get everything settled, put everything up. But, put that down. See your hungry motherfucker decided, let's go eat somewhere. He don't have a car, so where the fuck did he go? Well, the van's here, so he didn't drive the van. So how the f I don't fucking know. So either he walked to the Chinese place, got some George Webb's. I don't fucking know. So we're sitting here hungry as fuck, locked out, and then we need to go eat.
John, hurry!
The garage is locked. So
Garage
get your
door.
key. I got it. I'm coming down. All right, Ben. I'm gonna steal some content, y'all. Are you recording? Oh my god!
Look at this content stiller back.
Are we vlogging?
Gotta grab the stuff out of my car now, cause the hungry nigga's back. Finally.
Oh my god. Let me see. Oh my god.
Where is it?
Oh, a lot of equipment. Is that an intake?
Intercooler.
Oh, that's an intercooler intake.
Wait, I got one. You want it?
Yes, I do.
I don't want to give you the Joby one. That's the $50 one.
Give me the one that you don't care about.
Say less.
That motherfucker weigh 500 pounds and he able to pick it up with one hand.
Hey, that shit crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know what he need to work on? Did you ever show your this car right here? Yeah. You showed it? Well, he need to do content on this. I really want to see a wing on here. I want to see a duckbill wing on here. Man, this Chevrolet, man. Pull the cover off. Let me see. Hold on.
The cover on.
Yeah. Hold on. I need him to take the whole thing off.
Hurry the f up.
Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Not gonna cap to y'all. No cap. You better be doing some shit in this car.
It's off?
Yeah.
It's off?
Yeah.
All right. Look.
You ready? Look.
Whew.
We finna try this shit to death, boy. You might need that battery, man. Come on, y'all. You might need that battery, man.
Fucking Focus ST. Damn.
Not gonna lie to you, bro. This car I can't wait to get
I don't think this thing,
Bro, we finna learn how to drive manual.
All my life,
You ready?
This motherfucker do
my
a field.
We finna be driving manual.
What the hell y'all think y'all doing? Y'all ain't doing
We finna drive manual.
Y'all ain't doing
drifting that motherfucker.
It's sort of God finna drive manual,
can't drift a front wheel drive car.
We finna be driving manual.
Yes, we are,
Hey,
man.
Can we drive your car? I'm finna fuck that clutch up.
What is this nigga doing? Tamar just hopped all in the car. What the hell?
Not gonna
What are
lie,
you
man.
doing?
Trying to start it.
You can't start the.
Y'all just seen the
You already know.
What you say?
You know he can't start this thing.
Front. You may never know.
What the f
That front disrespectful.
No, we gotta fake. Okay, so let me show you guys the actual damage on this car.
Yeah, I was
Here. So Yeah, you get up here and it's kind of fun. Yeah, like you guys seen, this airbags deployed. It's like three. Damn, it's like 3 airbags deployed. There's one over there, and there's like the neat airbag down there over there, but y'all can't see that right now. But the interior is pretty clean though. Should have brought my light out here, so I can't see. Alright, the battery's dead, but I got a flashlight. Pretty much what we're gonna be doing is, alright, so crash bar needs to come out, and I forgot what the fuck this thing is. It's like the radiator mount, I think, this part right here. That needs to come out. Headlight, that headlight's and yeah, we just gonna toss this. This is getting a 2015 conversion, so we got a different hood for it, we got a different bumper. Pretty much the crash bars are all the same across like all the Ford Focuses, and same with this. So we got new headlights. Fenders should be good. If we need new fenders, we'll get new fenders, but as far as I know, everything else should be fine. That needs to mount to the front bumper down there. That'll be okay.
This is a bumper? I'm about to say
No,
this is a shield, ain't it?
No, this is a shield, but it needs to mount up. It needs to mount
up. Time to get a new shield.
And that horn right there, see that? That's
the horn?
Yep, it's just dangling. You probably need a new one. As far as I know, it runs, it drives. They tested it. It runs and drives, and I've seen it run and drive. So it should be good.
It got a 5-cylinder right here.
Yo, look at this V8 right here.
A 3-cylinder, boy. You know, plus 2. So we're making a 5-cylinder. Anyway, it takes 5W20. You know, minus 2. Add 2 more. That's 20. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We got the intake. You want to go see the manifold of it? Yeah, you smell a Japanese oil. Then you see the 4-cylinder.
Jack car.
It burns because it's that zesty.